सनी बेकर्स केक्स की दुनिया का वन स्टॉप जहां स्पेशल केक्स दस्तयाब। सनी बेकर्स पर स्पेशल ड्राई फ्रूट, रसमलाई केक और ओस्मानिया बिस्किट और दीगर वैरायटीज भी मौजूद है। सनी बेकर्स ऊपरपली, पिलर नंबर 206, हैदराबाद।
Hyderabad, and I understand from Sajjad Saab that he played a very important role in the preservation of this site. In his memory, we acknowledge his contribution to this site and to other sites in Hyderabad. I'm also very grateful to the government of Telangana for giving us responsibility, but more so, first state in the whole country which is encouraging non-profit public-private partnership as a way to fix its incredible heritage. I think in this way, the government of Telangana is way ahead of any other state in India. And finally, once again, thank you to the Consulate General here, thank you to the US Ambassador, who is at present.
For your very warm welcome. Thank you all for being here. This is my first trip to Hyderabad, and it gives me great pleasure to launch this Ambassador's Fund for Cultural Preservation project to restore these spectacular Paigah tombs. They are absolutely gorgeous, and that is being relearned in order to undertake the renovations. They represent a vital part of the rich tapestry of Telangana. This project is a 2-year, $250,000 investment in the history and culture of this region. Restorations like this allow the people additional policy issues. By supporting the preservation of cultural heritage, the United States demonstrates its respect for other cultures and peoples. But the preservation of these tombs is not just about the United States or Hyderabad or even India. Preserving culture. I want to thank the government of Telangana for its support for this project and for all to be part of the government of Telangana's efforts to conserve these magnificent monuments. I also want to thank the Aga Khan Trust for Culture and Mr. Ratish Nanda for all of your work here and all of the projects across India, Afghanistan, and Egypt, implemented by the US Consulate General in Hyderabad. Throughout India, a total of 23 Ambassadors Fund for Cultural Preservation projects have been implemented, representing a cultural investment over the past $20 million. We look forward to supporting more such projects in Hyderabad and in the region, for honoring this project by being here today. Thank you very much.
Once it's giving them space to take it, so we're just pushing that. But so we're starting to see.
Oh, I see.
तो ये जो पैगा टूम्स हैं, ये हैदराबाद में जो काफ़ी इमारतें हैं उनमें से 3-4 खास इमारतों में से गिने जाते हैं। इधर सबसे जो काम हुआ है, इधर चूने का काम, स्टको का काम, ऐसा काम हिंदुस्तान में कहीं और नहीं है। तो कुछ 3 साल पहले गवर्नमेंट ऑफ तेलंगाना ने हमारे को आगा खान ट्रस्ट फॉर कल्चर को जिम्मेदारी दी थी इनको मरम्मत करने के लिए। और आज जो US एम्बेसडर आई थी वेस्ट जोन, उन्होंने एक हमारे को ग्रांट देने के लिए प्लेज किया है, जिससे अगले 2 साल में काफ़ी काम होगा। तो 6 इमारतें इन टूम्स में 6 इमारतों पे US एम्बेसडर्स फंड फॉर कल्चरल प्रिजर्वेशन का ग्रांट मिलेगा। और बाकी सारा कॉम्प्लेक्स 2-2.5-3 साल में लैंडस्केप वर्क्स, कंजर्वेशन सारा कंप्लीट होके एक छोटा सा विजिटर सेंटर भी बनाएंगे। और ये